Arithmetic progression here exercise 6.2. How to solve that these sums? So what is that recall that formulas in AP an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the nth term of the arithmetic progression. Sum of the n terms, sum of the first n terms formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus 1 minus 1 into d. Or we know that the first term and the last term, so apply this formula Sn equal to value n by 2 into a plus l. L means an. Also written n by 2 into a plus an. An is equal to L equal to value last term. So now find the 30th term. Find the 30th term of the formula of the AP 10, 7, 4 and so on. It is on AP already given AP 10, 7, 4 and so on. Find d equal to a2 minus a1. What is the first term, second term, third term, a1, a2, a3. So a2 minus a1, 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. Then a3 minus a2, a3 minus a2 equal to value, 4 minus 7 equal to also minus 3. Common difference is same, so that series are in AP. A value, first term is equal to value, a is equal to a1 equal to value, what is given? 10. That equal to value 10. What is the required value? 30th term. So an is equal to, what is that formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. That is in AP. AP under the formula a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a30 is equal to a plus 30 minus 1 into d. That is equal to a30 is equal to a plus 29d. A plus 29d. A value, a is equal to value 10 plus 29. D value, d is equal to value minus 3. So minus 3. That is equal to 10 plus into minus 29 3 is 87. That equal to value minus 77. This value. And second sum also same model. Find the 11th term. Find the 11th term and AP series is given minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on as given. So 11th term. Find out the first term and common difference. First term and common difference. And find the 11th term. 11th term equal to value a plus 10d. Find the respective terms of the following AP. A1 equal to A3 equal to value 26. Find A2. So A1 equal to A1 is equal to A is equal to value. What is that 2? A3 is equal to value 26. What is A3? A3 what is that? A plus 2D. General formula A plus B, A plus 2D. Third term is A plus 2D is equal to value 26. Then A is 2. Substitute here. 2 plus 2D is equal to value 26. Then 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. 2D is equal to 24. D equal to 24 by 2. D is equal to value what is that? 12. D is 12, A is 2. Then find A2. A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. That equal to value A plus D. A is equal to value what is that? A is equal to 2 plus D equal to value 12. 2 plus 12 is equal to value 14. Okay, next sum. A3 is equal to 38. A3 is equal to value 38. A6 equal to minus 22. So find A1, A3, A5. So A2 is equal to 38. A2 equal to 38 means value A plus, what is that value? A plus B is equal to value 38. That is the first equation. A6 is equal to value minus 22. A6 equal to value A plus 5D. A plus 6 minus 1 into D equal to value A plus 5D is equal to value minus 22. That is second equation. Solve these two equations. A plus D is equal to 38 and A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. Then simplify that. Then subtraction minus positive value minus negative value positive. So plus A minus A cancel. Minus of 4D is equal to value 10, 60. So D4D equal to minus 60. D equal to minus 16 by 4, D equal to minus 15. Then D value substituted in 1 or 2. So from 1, A plus D equal to 38. A plus D is equal to 38. Plus into value minus 15. Minus 15 equal to value 38. Then A plus into minus, minus 15 is equal to 38. Then A is equal to 38 plus 15. 38 plus 15 is equal to value 53. Then A equal to 53. Then find what is the required value? A1. A1 is equal to value, what is that? 53. Then A3 equal to value A plus 2D. A 53 plus 2 into D value. D is equal to value minus 15. It is equal to 53 minus plus into minus minus 30 is equal to 23. And required value A5. A5 equal to A plus 4D. A value what is 53 plus 4 into minus 50 is equal to 53 plus into minus minus 60 is equal to value minus 7. So these sums also the same order, try it. Term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 15 and so on is 78. Which term? Of the AP. 78 is the which term? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. It is a last term. It is a last term. So first term, second term, third and fourth and so on. It is a last term. Last term means nth term. Last term means nth term. So A is equal to A1 is equal to value 3. D equal to find out the common difference. Common difference equal to value A2 minus A1. What is A2? 8 minus 3 is equal to value 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Common difference is 5. First term is value 3. It is a last term. Last term means Tn. Tn is equal to value 78 in AP. AP 7th nth term is value 78. Nth term formula A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 78. Now what is the A? A is equal to value 3 plus n minus 1. N is unknown value. So n minus 1 into D is equal to 5 is equal to 78. 78. 3 plus 5 into n. 5n. 5 into minus 1. Minus 5 is equal to 78. Then 5n plus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 78. Therefore 5n is equal to 78 plus 2 is change other side minus 2. Minus 2 change other side plus 2. 5n equal to value 80. N is equal to 80 by 5. Then 5 ones, 5 16s. N equal to 16. So 16th term is the 78. So T16 is equal to 78. T16 is equal to 78. Find the number of the terms in each of the following APs. Find the number of the terms in each of the following. The same order previous. Which term of the AP is 205? That is the one of the question. And find the number of the terms in each of the following APs. Here how many terms are there? First term, second term, third term, and it is the last term. Same order, before some order. So A is equal to A1 is equal to 7. A is equal to A1 is equal to value 7. D equal to common difference. D equal to what is that? A2 minus A1. What is it? A2? 30 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is equal to value 6. Common difference is 6. Then it is which term? Last term. First term, second term, third term, it is the last term. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is equal to value 205. An is equal to 205. That means A formula A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 205. What is the A value? 7 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 into D value 6 is equal to 205. Then 7 plus 6 into n, 6n minus 6 is equal to 205. 7 minus 6 at the value 1. 6 man plus 1 is equal to 205. Then 6n is equal to 205 plus 1 is change other side minus 1. Then 6n is equal to 204. N is equal to 204 by, here multiplied here, change other side, that is the denominator. 6 ones, 6, 2 balance is there, 2, 24, 6 4, 24. So N is equal to value 14. That means 14th term is the 205. So T14 is equal to 205 in this progression. And same model, 18, 15, 1 by 2 is the second term, 13 is the third term, and so on, minus 47. Which term of the minus 47? So same model, try it. Minus 150 is the term of the AP. Minus 150 is the term of the AP. 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Minus 150 is the term of this progression. Find out. So here take that minus 150 is also there. We assume that first one. So A is equal to A1 is equal to 11. D equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. Then minus 150 is the, we take nth term. So we take AN is equal to minus 150. AN equal to minus 150. A in formula, A plus M minus 1 into D is equal to minus 150. What is the A value? 11 plus N minus 1 into D value minus 3 is equal to minus 150. 11 minus 3 into N minus 3N minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 150. 11 plus 3, 14 minus 3n is equal to minus 150. This constant also change other side. Minus 3n is equal to minus 150. Minus 14 minus 3n is equal to minus 164. Minus 150 minus 14 equal to minus 164. Both sides need to cancel. Therefore, 3n is equal to 164. 3 is multiplied here. Change other side, that is the denominator. N is equal to 164 by 3. 3 is divisible this. N is equal to 3. What is it? 3. 164. So 3, how many times? 3 5s 15 and 1 balance. 3 2s 4 is down, 4 3 3 4s 12. Next balance 2, remainder 2. So that means 54 2 by 3. It is not usable. It is not usable. So it is so minus 150 is not in AP. Minus 150 is not in AP. So that is not the position of that progression. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 31st term. Find the 31st term in AP. What is the given? 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So in AP, 11th term is 38. 11th term is A11 equal to 38. A11 means A plus 10D equal to 38. That is the first equation. So next one, 16th term is 73 in AP. 16th term and A plus A 16 equal to 73. 16th term means A plus 16 minus 1 into D. That means A plus 15D equal to 73. That is second equation. So solve the two equations. A plus 10 equal to 38, that is the first equation. Then it is the second equation. Then adding is not cancelling. So subtraction. Subtraction means change the second polynomial symbols. Positive A, minus 15D, minus 15D, minus 73. So plus A minus A cancel. 10D minus 5, 15D equal to minus 5D. 38 minus 73 equal to value. Negative value is highest, negative. 73 minus 38 equal to value 35. Both sides need to cancel. 5D equal to 35. D equal to 35 by 5. 5 sevens. D equal to value 7. D value 7. D is substituting in 1 or 2. From 1. From 1. What is the 1? A plus 10D equal to 38. A plus 10D equal to 38. A value is unknown value. A plus 10 into D. D equal to value 7. So 10 into 7 is equal to value 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. A is equal to minus 32. A is equal to value minus 32. What is the required value? Find the 31st term. 31st term in AP T A 31st is equal to A plus 30D. So A value minus 32 plus 30 into D value 7 minus 32 plus 210 is equal to 210 rupees minus 32 rupees. is equal to 170, positive value minus 178. It is also same model. If the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8, third term is minus 4, ninth term is minus 8, then which term of this AP is 0? First given value, so what is the third term is 4. So AP is equal to value 4. AP means A plus 2D equal to value 4. That is first equation. And next one, in AP, ninth term is minus 8. A9 equal to value minus 8. A9 is A plus 8D equal to value minus 8. That is second equation. Then solve the two equations. A plus 2D equal to 4. A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Then solve this. Here, addition is not cancelling any variable. So subtraction means second power line symbols are changing. Positive value negative, positive value negative, negative value positive. So plus A minus A cancel. 2D minus 8D minus 6D is equal to 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So negative is negative with multiplied here. 6D is equal to value minus 12. Then D equal to minus 12 by 6. D is equal to value minus 2. 6 1 6 2. So D equal to minus 2. Then this D is substituting in 1 or 2. So from 1. What is the 1? A plus 2D equal to 4. A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 2 into D equal to value minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus into minus. 2 to 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4. A is equal to 8. Then what is the required value? Which term of the AP is 0? Which term of the AP is 0? That is nth term is 0. We don't know which term is 0. So nth term is 0. So Tn is equal to 0. What is the Tn formula? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to value 0. What is the A? 8 plus n minus 1 into D equal to value minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 minus into plus minus 2n minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 0. 8 plus 2 value what is it? 10. 10 minus 2n is equal to 0. Then 10 is equal to value 2n. 10 by 2 is equal to value n. Therefore n equal to value 5. So fifth term is the 0 in this progression. So T5 is equal to value 0. That is the required value. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? What are the 3-digit numbers? 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105 up to 999. That are 3-digit numbers. So here, what is the rule? Divisible by 7. Divisible by 7, 3-digit numbers. 105 is divisible by 7. 105, 7 ones, 7 5s, 35. And next 112, next 190, up to 994. 994 also divisible by 7. So these are 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. Here first term, second term, third term is the last term. Last term means an value. A is equal to A1 is equal to value 105 and D equal to value A2 minus A1. A2 value 112 minus 105 is equal to value 7. Common difference equal to 7. It is nth term. Tn is equal to value 994. What is the Tn formula in AP? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 994. What is the A value? 105 plus n minus 1 into D equal to value 7 is equal to 994. 105 plus 7 into n, 7n, 7 into minus 1, minus 7 is equal to 994. 105 minus 7, 105 minus 7 equal to value 98 plus 7n is equal to 994. 98 we change other side, so 7n is equal to 994 minus 98. 7n is equal to 994 minus 98 the value 896. 896. N is equal to value, n is equal to 896 by 7. 7 ones, here 1 balance. 19, 7 2s 14, 5 values, 7 8 56. So n is equal to 128. N is equal to 128. So how many terms are there? 7 multiples of 3 digits. How many divisibles of 7 in 3 digits? That is equal to value 128 terms. And next, how many multiples of 4 lies between 4 and 150? 250. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? 10 and 250. 4 multiples. 10 to 250. What are the multiples of 4? 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on to 248. So A is equal to A1 is equal to 12. D equal to value A2 minus A1. That is equal to 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4. Then 248 is the nth term. So an is equal to 248. Then what is the an formula? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 248. Then a and d value substitute here and find the term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. 17th term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. So, in AP, 17th term and 10th term, when you are equal, when these are equal, here is 17th term is 7 more than of 10th term. So, here also 7, so that two values are equal. So, A17 equal to A plus 16D is equal to 10th term, A plus 9D is plus 7. Both sides A cancel. So 16D is equal to 9D is equal to value 7. 9D plus 7. 16D plus 9D change this side minus 9D is equal to 7. So 7D is equal to value 7. D equal to value 7 by 7. D is equal to value 1. That means common difference equal to value 1. Determine AP whose third term is 16. Third term is 16 and 17th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. In AP, what is the given first one? Third term is 16. A3 equals 16. What is the AP? A3 equal value 16. A plus 2D is equal to 16. A plus 2D equals 16. That is first equation. And second one, 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So that means A7 is 12 is more than of 5th term. So when you both are equal, A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. A5 plus 12. A7 is equal to value A plus 6D is equal to value A5 equal to value A plus 4D is plus 12. Both sides A cancel. 6D is equal to 4D plus 12. D terms are changed on the side. So 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. 2D equal to 12. D equal to 12 by 2. D equal to value 6. D value substituting in this equation. A plus 16 that is first equation. A equal to value unknown value plus 2 into D value 6 is equal to 16. A plus 12 is equal to 16. And A is equal to 16 minus 12. A is equal to value of 4. First term is 4. Common difference is value 6. Then find A2. A2 means A plus D value. A3 A plus 2D. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Then substitute here. Then find the arithmetic progression.